93 million miles away, a sleeping giant is stirring. The sun, usually a steady provider of life, is growing restless. It begins here with a massive sunspot group, wide enough to swallow the Earth whole, turning directly towards us. Beneath the surface, superheated plasma boils violently, twisting the magnetic fields into a tangled mess. These magnetic loops are traps, holding back billions of tons of solar material until they can no longer hold the weight. The entire star is a ticking time bomb, and the countdown has reached 0. Look closely at the magnetic lines. They are snapping under the pressure. Flash! An X-class solar flare, the most powerful type of explosion in our solar system, releases the energy of 1 billion atomic bombs detonating at once in mere seconds. But the light is just the warning. Following it is the CME, a coronal mass ejection. A massive cloud of charged particles is now hurtling through space, directly at Earth. Usually these storms drift slowly, but this time something rare is happening. A second, faster eruption has launched right behind the first one. Scientists call this a cannibal CME. The fast wave devours the slow one, merging into a dense, chaotic wall of radiation that blasts past Mercury, stripping material from the planet's surface with 0 resistance. Inside the cloud, the conditions are hellish. A magnetic hurricane moving at 2 million miles per hour. Our satellites are the first to feel the impact, their sensors screaming warnings back to Earth before going silent. Down here, we are unaware of the tsunami approaching our shores. Our only defense is the magnetosphere, an invisible magnetic shield generated by Earth's core. Impact. The solar hammer strikes the shield, compressing the magnetic field to its absolute breaking point. Energy stretches around the planet, building up tension on the night side until snap. Magnetic reconnection sends gigawatts of power flooding back towards our poles. In orbit, GPS and communication satellites are blinded by the radiation storm. As the particles hit our atmosphere, the sky ignites. This is a G5 geomagnetic storm, the strongest rating on the scale. From the ground, it's a breathtaking light show. But this beauty hides a danger. The storm is so intense that auroras are seen as far south as Florida and Texas, turning the night sky blood red as oxygen and nitrogen atoms are excited into glowing neon green, purple, and rare crimson. But while we watch the sky, our technology is under attack. Geomagnetically induced currents surge through the ground, entering our power grid. Transformers overheat. If they blow, entire continents could face blackouts that last for weeks. High-frequency radio signals are scrambled, and flights over the poles are rerouted to avoid the dead zones. Why is this happening now? Because the sun has cycles. Every 11 years, the sun's magnetic poles flip, and we are currently approaching solar maximum, the peak of this violent cycle. Solar Cycle 25 has proven to be stronger and more unpredictable than anyone forecasted. We are reminded just how small we are, living in the atmosphere of a volatile star. The storm passes, and the grid holds, but the sun isn't done yet. As long as we rely on technology, we must keep one eye on the space weather. Solar Cycle 25 continues, and the next big one could be tomorrow. Stay curious, stay prepared.